Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share how to do hair spa at home with easily available ingredients. Getting a hair spa done at beauty parlors can be quite expensive. We can easily do a hair spa at the comfort of our own home at the fraction of the cost, and I promise it'll be equally effective. This hair spa starts off with a hot oil massage with homemade fenugreek oil. This hair oil will nourish and condition the scalp very well. The second step is a hair pack using curry leaves. This hair pack stops hair fall, promotes hair growth, and treats almost all the scalp problems. The final step is a hair rinse with green tea, which gives the hair a good shine. And the best part is, we just need only 2 ingredients for making it. The previous day, take a tablespoon of coarsely crushed fenugreek seeds in a bowl. Now add in 1/4 cup of unrefined coconut oil to it. Now either sun-dry this mixture or heat it using a double boiler for 15 to 20 minutes to help fenugreek seeds release its essence into the oil. Once the oil is heated well, strain to remove the fenugreek seeds. Make sure to grind the fenugreek seeds coarsely. If you grind it to a fine powder, you'll find it very difficult to strain. This oil has a subtle smell of fenugreek and is an excellent hair and scalp conditioner. It also can be stored for a few months at room temperature. To use, take the oil and massage it all over the scalp and hair. Make sure to apply the oil on both your scalp and the hair. This will help treat split ends too. After the massage, dip a towel in hot water and tie it around your head. Once the towel loses its heat, remove and then apply the hair pack. To make the hair pack, take a handful of fresh curry leaves in a bowl. Add in a tablespoon of homemade curd. Add in half tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Finally, add in 2 teaspoons of virgin coconut oil. Now grind this mixture to a very smooth paste. While grinding, you can add in more curd if you find the mixture too thick. To use, after the massage, take this pack and apply it all over the scalp and hair. Wait for it to almost dry and then wash it off using a mild shampoo. This hair pack will treat dandruff, itchy scalp, scalp inflammation, and scalp boils too. It also will help promote hair growth. To make the green tea hair rinse, we have to first make green tea. To make green tea, take a green tea bag in a cup. Pour hot boiling water over it and let it steep for a minute. Now to the green tea, add in few drops of any favorite essential oil of your choice. I prefer rosemary, tea tree essential oil or lavender essential oil. To use, take it in a spray bottle and spray it all over the scalp and hair. Wait for a minute and then rinse it off. Green tea hair rinse is excellent for stimulating hair growth, and it also gives a nice shine to a hair, and it also protects the hair from sun damage. This hair spa treatment will not only reduce hair fall and promote hair growth, it will bring down our stress levels too. Give this spa treatment a try once and you'll continue using it for life. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.